I know a lot of people who have, just like me, you get online and you try to look for ways that you can earn money from home. Maybe you Googled how to make extra money from home or how to work from home or passive income ideas. And you do all of that and you're looking for ways that you can actually earn extra money because let's be real, we're in some pretty challenging times as far as our economy. And if you're like me, you kind of ask the question like, okay, can you actually make money from home? Like, and if so, how do you do that? Because you know that there are people that are doing it, but is there something special about them? Is there some type of skill they acquired? Was it just some hookup they had? Chances are maybe it's just that they built some skills. There were some skills that they built. There were some things that they did, um, opportunities they came across that helped them to be in a position where they could make money from home. A lot of opportunities these days. You got the gig economy where you got things like TaskRabbit where you can sign up and you can go help people do odds and ends, different chores and housework, different things like that. So there's a lot of money, a lot of ways to make money online. Um, but one of the ways that I recently discovered that I'm a book writing coach and I've been in the online space. I'm a best-selling author. I've done a lot of things, but there's something that I kind of heard about it, but I didn't really completely know what it was. Heard about affiliate marketing and all those things, and have even participated in affiliate marketing, have even run my own affiliate marketing program myself. But something that's different that I recently found out about was digital marketing. And I'm thinking to myself, like, why didn't I know this before? But I recently had several friends who talked to one of them, and she was like, "Yeah, I made $20,000 in the last 3 months online. Didn't put in a whole lot of work. I've got a lot going on. I've got, all these things she's telling me, and I'm just sitting here like, whoa, this is yep, straight from home. That's my phone. But she's telling me all these things, and I'm like, okay. And so then I hear another friend who tells me the exact same thing, and I'm like, okay, this is interesting here, like so and since that point I've spoken to, or between speaking to them and just seeing things that they posted, 6 people that I know, that I trust, some more than others as far as how much I know them, but these are people that are pretty reliable, and they have all said that they're doing really well with this. And so I'm like, okay. So I looked into it myself, um, sent it to one of my buddies and was like, hey, look, what do you think about it? He's like, hey, this is legitimate. And so with that, I discovered a blueprint that is amazing, that will provide you with the opportunity to be able to work from home, to create your own schedule, to get to a point where you can be that 6 figure income earner, which I know a lot of people want to do. But this is something that you can do on the side, but it can become so good, which has happened to a lot of people, that they started out with their 9 to 5 job, but then they ended up switching to where they just said, hey, you know what, I'm doing pretty good with this. I'm just gonna hang up my hat on the 9 to 5, and I'm gonna work from home, be with my family, have more time to spend with my family, and just do different things. That's been pretty cool for me as a dad, because a lot of times I'll go to my girls' doctor's appointments or their dentist appointment or something like that, and a lot of times I'm like the only dad there, right? um, and that's a lot because a lot of the dads are either at work or different things like that. But I have the ability to be able to be present with them, to be flexible, and all of that has happened because of me being able to have an online business, having a coaching program where I help first-time authors, and I help authors to write best-selling books and all those things. And that's not necessarily the main thing I'm focused on right now, but with that, having an online business and having a way that you can work from home is phenomenal. There are many ways that you can do that, and I've got a blueprint that I discovered. I'm super glad that I came across this because, it's just a difference maker. It makes a difference in your life. And when I first was introduced to this, I didn't really know a whole lot about it. But once I started delving into it and I got into it, I was like, wow, this is pretty amazing stuff right here. And so, what it does is it gives you the opportunity to learn what I call $1 million skills. You learn $1 million skills while earn while earning money on a side. You earn some side income. For some people, it becomes a whole lot more than that, which hence the term side income wealth, because you can't create wealth if you're still barely struggling to get by. And you're just barely struggling to get by. It's really hard to do that, and so that's where that side income wealth comes in. At is that you take care of your debt, pay some things off, get your footing, become more financially secure, and then you work toward building up, toward building wealth and those type of things. So that's really important. But yeah, there's absolutely ways that you can make money from home. And I want to encourage you, just check it out. Just check it out. If nothing more, learn more about the blueprint and see if it's something that can help you. I know how it is when it comes to different, offers and programs and things like that. You want to make sure that it aligns with the direction you're going in life, is something that you can see yourself investing in, that you're willing to commit to, and the time and all those things. So I can tell you that this isn't for everybody. I know that because even as I go out and I talk to people and tell them what I do, and tell them, hey, I'm helping people, in the next 90 days, I'm going to help 23 people to earn $20,000 online. And they kind of look at me like, oh, okay, all right, whatever. But, that's just kind of how it is. It's like that opportunity is right there in front of them. They know that they don't completely love the job that they're in, but yet they're willing to stay stuck there. So for me personally, when I see a good opportunity, I'm not just willing to just let it sit on the shelf. I'll at least investigate it, see what's there, see if it fits me. If it doesn't, hey, okay. And so that's what I encourage you to do as well. But go check it out. It's over on sideincomewealth.com. And before you leave, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Share this with someone that you really believe could help, someone who's looking to get ahead, who wants to have those financial breakthroughs, and show up for the next video. Look forward to speaking with you. Hopefully, if we do actually speak, because I'm a coach as well. So if you need some help, just reach out to me, and I'll be more than glad to help you any way I can. But I hope you have a phenomenal day. All right, bye.